1221. When should pilots state their position on the airport when calling the tower for takeoff? A. When visibility is less than 1 mile. B. When parallel runways are in use. C. When departing from a runway intersection. The correct answer is C. Pilots should state their position on the airport when calling the tower for takeoff when they are departing from a runway intersection. This is to alert the tower controller of their exact location and enable them to ensure proper separation from other aircraft on the airport surface. If a pilot is taking off from the end of a runway, they do not need to state their position unless specifically instructed to do so by the tower controller. The other options listed are not relevant to the question. 1222. As standard operating practice, all inbound and local traffic approaching or near an airport without a control tower should continuously monitor the appropriate facility from a distance of A. 25 miles, B. 20 miles, C. 10 miles. The correct answer is C. Pilots should continuously monitor the appropriate frequency for the airport they are approaching or departing from, starting from a distance of 10 miles. This is a standard operating practice to enhance situational awareness and safety, especially at uncontrolled airports where pilots are responsible for their own separation from other traffic. By monitoring the frequency, pilots can listen for any traffic advisories or announcements, and can also make their own position reports to alert other pilots in the area of their location and intentions. 1223. Absence of the sky condition and visibility on an ATIS broadcast indicates that A. Weather conditions are at or above VFR minimums. B. The sky condition is clear and visibility is unrestricted. C. The ceiling is at least 5,000 feet and visibility is 5 miles or more. The correct answer is A. A ceiling of 5,000 feet or higher and visibility of 5 miles or more are indicated by the absence of a sky condition, ceiling, and/or visibility on the ATIS. 1308. The Common Traffic Advisory Frequency, CTAF, is used for manned aircraft to A. Announce ground and flight intentions. B. Request air traffic control clearance. C. Request fuel services. The correct answer is A. The Common Traffic Advisory Frequency, CTAF, is a frequency designated for pilots to use at airports without an operating control tower. It is used by pilots to announce their positions and intentions in the airport traffic pattern to help maintain situational awareness and avoid collisions with other aircraft. 1226. Automatic Terminal Information Service, ATIS, is the continuous broadcast of recorded information concerning A. Pilots of radar-identified aircraft whose aircraft is in dangerous proximity to terrain or to an obstruction. B. Non-essential information to reduce frequency congestion. C. Non-control information in selected high-activity terminal areas. The correct answer is C. ATIS is a continuous broadcast of recorded non-control information in selected high-activity terminal areas. It provides information to pilots regarding weather, runway conditions, and other essential information to aid in safe and efficient operations at the airport. This information helps pilots make informed decisions about their flight operations and helps reduce frequency congestion by reducing the need for pilots to request information from air traffic control. Option A is incorrect because it describes a situation where an aircraft is in danger, which would require immediate intervention from air traffic control. Option B is incorrect because ATIS information is considered essential information for pilots, not non-essential information.